Namaskar, I am Dr. Monu Singh, Senior Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon and Chief of Services for Joint Replacement, Arthroscopy and Sports Medicine at Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, Gurugram and Dharamshila Narayana Super Speciality Hospital, New Delhi. So today we are going to talk about cartilaginous injuries of the knee joint. What is this cartilage? Just like the rubber of a tire in a vehicle, the cartilage is a lining of the knee joint. The bone above and below which is forming the knee joint, they are lined by cartilage. It is just like rubber. Many a times this cartilage gets injured. Mostly it is because of accidents, trauma and sporting activities. But the net result is that some part of this cartilage is damaged, gives rise to a lesion in that joint surface. Now wherever the cartilage is damaged, the protective function, the function of that part of the joint is reduced. Eventually, that joint will develop wear and tear and it will result in osteoarthritis, which might end up at a later date in a replacement of the joint. So what can we do to preserve the function, to preserve the cartilage? It is a living tissue, but it is very difficult to maintain, to spontaneously regenerate that cartilage in the body. In body, it is extremely difficult. It is almost a negligible process for that cartilage to regenerate. But there is hope for these patients because we are now utilizing culture techniques, which are state-of-the-art techniques for preservation of the cartilage. In a nutshell, what we people do is, through a keyhole incision, by arthroscopic means, we harvest a piece of patient's cartilage from the knee joint from a non-significant portion of the knee. A part of the knee which is not actually involved in motion, in articulation, but it has cartilage. So we take a small piece of cartilage from that part. That harvested cartilage is then sent for culture. With culture, we are able to get living tissue in the shape and size that we want. And this tissue eventually is then transplanted inside the joint in place of the damaged cartilage or the lesion, which is cleaned and where this cultured cartilage is implanted. Once we do that, over a period of time, over a course of time, this transplanted cartilage is taken up, it joins the rest of the cartilage of the knee joint and becomes a part of the knee joint. That way, the cartilage function is restored, there is no wear and tear later on, and the patient avoids any osteoarthritis from happening at a later date and effectively may escape a joint replacement. Thank you.